Hi everyone, welcome to HTML in Minutes. Building your website needs patience and dedication, so in this video, we will be learning how to make your first HTML. So what you will be learning in this video are the following. What is HTML? What is CSS? Program you need to start with HTML. Start coding. Run code or view HTML and basic questions in HTML. Let's get started. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is not a programming language, but it is a language that tells web browsers how to structure the web pages you visit. It is also a document that contains your text, and it describes the content inside your website. On the other hand, CSS or Cascading Style Sheets is used for styling the website. CSS codes decide how the menu should look like. For example, what are the colors of the font, your font size, and how your content, such as your pictures or text, is positioned. In short, it provides the styling content inside your HTML. So what are the things you need to create your first website? It is advisable that you have your PC or laptop. So in your laptop, a pre-installed Windows accessories known as Notepad can be used, or if you want a pro version, you may download Notepad++ to provide color for your easy coding. And for the browser, again, the browser displays the HTML code, the output of your HTML code, so you may choose either Google Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. So your web browsers read and discuss documents that contain your HTML code. For practice, you may use your Android phones. You may download the following HTML coding and viewer apps such as Anwriter. It is free. Also web development made easy. It is also free. And we also have Webmaster Lite. But then again, it is not advisable in making a very grand website. It is just used for practice since the features of this free coding and viewer app is limited. If you want, you may unlock the features of HTML by downloading a professional version but at a reasonable cost. So it's up to you guys. I hope you will be very creative and in finding solutions to your problems. Let's get started. Okay, so I will discuss first the steps on how to encode and view your HTML code, and later we will have a demo. So step 1, open your notepad, go to start, click accessories and click notepad. After which, you write or copy the following HTML code in your notepad. Okay, you may take a screenshot, but then it is written or it is in your module. So you may refer to your modules. Third, save the HTML. So you save it using .html as the extension file, and you set the encoding to UTF-8. And lastly, to view your HTML page in your browser, you just double click on the file, HTML file that you saved, and then hope you will be attaining the output which is displayed below. Okay, so let's have the demo. Okay, so again, go to start, click all programs, click accessories, and click notepad. Okay, I'll just maximize it. We will now encode your HTML code. If you have the soft copy of the code, you may just copy and paste it for easy coding, but in my case, I will be coding it manually. Later in our succeeding videos, I will be showing you and explain to you the different functions of the codes that we are writing right now. This is H1, by the way. This is not HI, H1. Okay, H1 stands for heading and P stands for paragraph. My first paragraph. And then we will have the closing, we will have the body, closing tag for the body, and the closing tag for HTML. And then again, we will save it, save as. In the desktop, we will change the extension file to HTML, and we will be writing here exercise 1. And we will change the save as type to all files, and then the encoding to UTF-8 because this is the preferred encoding for HTML files, and then click save. Okay. By the way, okay. So let's check our output. We will go now to our desktop. We will look for our file exercise 1.html. Just double click it. And there we have our output. You see my first heading and my first paragraph. So guys, encoding is very easy, just like 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Let's have the questions and answers. Can you create website without connecting to the internet? Yes, in fact, you can run the code anytime with or without the internet. Can you edit your code once it is saved? Yes, you can. And can you use other programs in HTML? Yes, of course, you can explore. There's a lot of HTML programs available for download in the internet, and most of these are free. Okay, so guys, just let me leave to you this code. For things to get done, you have to begin. So I hope you begin your coding. Happy coding, everyone, and thank you for your time in watching our video. God bless us all.